APG3 taxonomy was mainly aimed at some convenient method of classification and communication. At the beginning, the classification was purely artificial, involved certain simple characters which can be easily observable. By the end of 19th century, attempts to classify plants gradually shifted from artificial to natural and phylogenetic. Introduction. Man has been classifying plants since at least Theocritus 300 BC. Current system developed using plant structure dated back to Linnaeus. So Linnaeus called the father of biological classification. Before Linnaeus classification system, have mainly based on habit. Basically, three kinds of classification system recognized: artificial, natural, phylogenetic. Now, fourth one is phonetic. Phonetic system of classification that does not try to reflect evolutionary relationship. Instead, it is based on physical similarities among organisms. Phenotype. Organisms are placed in the same category because they look alike. Pre-Darwinian and post-Darwinian classification. Pre-Darwinian classification system. The early natural classification or pre-Darwinian classification system were started when the classification system started to reflect the situation as it might have existed in nature. During that period, a number of morphological characters of the plant were considered as they found in nature, and the concept of species was based on topological or fixity concept. Major contributor of this period were Carl Linnaeus, Michael Adamson, Bernard de Jussieu, A.P. de Candolle, Bentham and Hooker. Development of the APG system. Three further revisions of the APG classification were published in 2003, 2009 and 2016, each with multiple compiler and contributor. The most recent version of APG4 published this month has 10 compiler and 15 contributors from 6 countries and is the result of a workshop hosted by Q in September 2015. An online survey also provided useful background about the views of botanists and other users of the classification around the world. Each version of APG has included a list of families and or genera of uncertain position. In 1998, 25 families fell in this category, but by 2016 the list had shrunk to 7 genera, demonstrating the increase in knowledge as more plants have been sampled and more DNA regions have been investigated. The number of higher level groups, formal and informal, has also increased as a reflection of increasing confidence in the relationships of families to each other. Changes in APG4 on the basis of published studies include placement of Pitenia in its own family, Piteniaceae, recognition of Cavaceae for the genus Cava, previously included in Hypertalis in Molinginaceae, and recognition of some families that were known to be problematic. For example, several genera had been moved from Icaniaceae into previously monogeneric Metuniaceae. Introduction to APG. In the late 90s, an informal group of botanists from major institutions of world that have been carrying out the analysis of plant genetic material came together under the title of the Angiosperm Phylogeny Group or APG. Their intention was to provide a widely accepted and more stable point of reference for angiosperm classification. Their first attempt, a new system, was published in 1998, the APG system. Three revision has been published in 2003 APG second, 2009 APG third, and 2016 APG 4, each superseding the previous system. 8 researchers have been listed as author to the 3 papers and further 33 as a contributors. The existing system are rejected because they are not phylogenetic. That is, are not based on strictly monophyletic group. That is, group which consists of all descendants of a common ancestor. APG shows the monocots from a monophyletic group clade, but that the dicots do not paraphyletic. Majority of dicot species do form a monophyletic group called the eudicot or tricolpate. Of the remains dicot species must belong to the third major clade known as the Magnolidae. The rest include a paraphyletic growing of primitive species known as collectively as the basal angiosperm plus the families of Ceratophyllaceae and Chloranthaceae. Monophyletic refers to a group that consists of common ancestor plus all descendant of that ancestor. Paraphyletic refers to a group that includes a common ancestor plus some but not all descendant of that common ancestor. The diversity of flowering plant is not evenly distributed. Nearly all species belonging to the eudicot is 75%, monocot is 23%, and magnolid 2% clade. The remaining 5 clade contain a little over 250 species in total, that is less than 0.1% of flowering plant diversity divided among 9 families. Principles of APG. The principle of the APG approach to classification were set out in the first paper of 1998 and have remained unchanged in subsequent revision. These are: the Linnan system of order and family should be retained. The family is central in flowering plant systematics. Group should be monophyletic, that is, consist of all descendants of a common ancestor. The main reason why existing systems are rejected is because they do not have this priority. They are not phylogenetic. Families containing only a single genus and order containing only a single family are avoided where this is possible without violating the overriding requirement for monophyly. Angiosperm phylogeny group, an update of angiosperm phylogeny group classification for the order and families of flowering plants, APG4, Botanical Journal of Linnean Society. APG3 2009, an update of the angiosperm phylogeny group classification for the order and families of flowering plant, APG3, Botanical Journal of the Linnean Society. APG2 2003, an update of the angiosperm phylogeny group classification for the order and the families of flowering plant, APG2, Botanical Journal of Linnean Society. And APG1 1998, an ordinal classification for the families of flowering plants, Annal of the Missouri Botanic Garden. Applications of APG. APG publications are increasingly regarded as an authoritative, authoritative point of reference. A significant number of major herbaria, including Kew, Edinburgh, are changing the order of their collection in accordance with APG. The influential world checklist of selected plant families, also from Kew, is being updated to the APG 316. In the USA, a recent photographic survey of the plant of the USA and Canada is organized according to the APG2 system. In the UK, the latest edition of the Standard Flora of the British Isles by Stace is based on the APG3 system. The previous edition was based on the Cronquist system. Flora of Nepal project planning to follow the APG system. APG3 in 2009, the third paper from the APG update the system described in 2003 paper. The broad outline of the system remain unchanged, but the number of the previously unplaced families and genera is significantly reduced. This requires the recognition of both new order and new families compared to the previous classification. The APG3 system recognizes all of the 45 orders of the previous system as well as 14 new ones. The number of order goes up from 45 to 59. Only 10 families are not placed in an order, and only two these Apodantheaceae and Cynomoriaceae are left entirely outside the classification. The designation of alternative bracketed families was abandoned in APG3 because its inclusion in the previous system had been unpopular. APG3 recognized 415 families, 42 fewer than in the APG2. 44 of the 55 bracketed families were discontinued, and 18 other families were discontinued as well. For example, the agave family Agaveaceae and the hyacinth family Hyacinthaceae are no longer regarded as a distinct from the broader asparagus family Asparagaceae. The classification of the families in APG3, which use formal taxonomic rank, previously only informal clade names, have been tried to use above the ordinal level. APG 2009 short version of APG3 clade angiosperm, order Amborelians, order Nymphaeales, Astrobeliales, Chloranthales, clade Magnolidae, Cannellales, Laurels, Magnolias, and Piperes. Clade monocot, Acorales, Alismatales, Asparagales, Dioscoriales, Liliales, Pandanales, Petrosavales, Commelinid, clade Commelinid, Disopogonaceae, which is unplaced in an order, Ericales, Commelinales, Poales, and Gingiberales. Probable sisters of Eudicot, order Ceratophyllaceae, clade Eudicot, family Sabaceaceae, unplaced in an order, order Buxales, order Proteales, order Ranunculales, order Trochodendrales, O-clade cord Eudicot, family Delineaceae, unplaced in an order, order Gunariales, order Saxifragales, clade Malmids, use Eurozoites, order Brassicales, Chrosomatales, Geraniales, Heuritales, Malvales, Myritales, Picraminiales, Sapendales, back to core Eudicot, order Barbadiosopidales, order Caryophyllales, order Santales, clade Roside, order Vitales, clade Fabides, order Silastrales, Cucurbitales, Fabales, Fagales, Malpighiales, Oxydales, Rosales, Zygophyllales, clade Asteride, Corneales, Ericales, clade Lamidae, Boraginaceae, unplaced in an order, Walchiaceae, unplaced in an order, Ecancianaceae, unplaced in an order, Metonceaceae, unplaced in an order, Onchothecaceae, unplaced in an order, Garriales, Gentianales, Lamiales, Solanales, clade Campanulid, order Apiales, Equifoliales, Asterales, Bruniales, Dipscales, Iscaloniales, Paracraphiales, in Acrodenales link, Acroaceae, Alismataceae, Aponogeton, Ericaceae, Butamaceae, Hydrocaritaceae, Juncaginaceae, Potamogetonaceae, Dioscoriaceae, Pandanaceae, Colchicinaceae, Melanithaceae, Smileycaceae, Amaralidaceae, Asparagaceae, Agaveaceae, Hyacinthaceae, Hypoxidaceae, Iridaceae, Orchidaceae, Ericaceae, Commelinaceae, Pontadiriaceae, Bromeliaceae, Cyperaceae, Eriocaulaceae, Juncaceae, Poaceae, Typhaceae, Theridaceae, Canaceae, Costaceae, Maramchiaceae, Musaceae, Gingiveraceae. Thank you.